Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you month's name. Children, in our previous video we already learned about the month's name from January till August and today I am going to teach you September and October. Now open your copy and write with me. Children, in the first you will draw the margin line in the center of the page like this and make two columns. In first column you will write the spelling of September and the spelling of September is September, September. Then you will write here the spelling of October. And the spelling of October is October, October. What is the spelling of September? Read with me. September, September. September, September. And the spelling of October is October, 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 October. Now children, we will write the spelling of September. Here you will write the spelling of September. September, September. Now write it again. September, September. Now write it again, children. September, September. Now here you will write again the spelling of September. September, September. Now write it again. September, September. Then children, you will write here the spelling of October. And the spelling of October is October, October. Now write it again. October, October. Now write it again. October, October. Now write it again. October. Now you will write it again. October, VER, October. I hope children you will learn the spelling of September and October. I hope you will read and write these spellings at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.